birthday and I don't really have a lot of plans. I am gonna get lunch with a friend right now and then we're gonna go to Barnes & Noble, look at some books. Barnes & Noble is in the mall, so maybe we'll stop by some stores. I didn't really do any makeup. It's so hot outside today.
I just need to preface, it's like not like what you think it's gonna be, especially because you're gonna like be moving into your own place soon. I think it's just nice to have a little something to spruce up your study area.
Oh my gosh, you're funny! You got me a plant? Yeah. Oh my god! You know how many plants I've killed recently? I'm so scared.
What I did? No, I got this one specifically because it's like low maintenance. It doesn't need too much sunlight.
So pretty.
It doesn't even need direct sunlight, and you only have to water it when it's like completely dry. Like you don't even have to water it that often. Like once a week is like enough. So it's supposed to be like very low maintenance. Also, I just thought that was cute because she was holding balloons.
Yeah,
it's
that
like
is
birthday
cute.
girl,
Oh my god, that's so cute. Wow. So you picked out the pot yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Thank you.
Hey, I'm glad you like the pot. And I feel like it kind of goes with your aesthetic a little bit.
Wait, so how did they just stick it?
Yeah, you can just pick out like a little thingy and they'll just stick it in there. I think this is the one that will last.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna take really good care of it, especially because you got it.
Yay! I do it forever. I don't know why.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, the one at the top, this one?
It also smells like clean.
Dude, all of these gotta go.
Yeah.
Wait, what is also like? I don't like it. Oh, can I see?
I thought it smelled good. I don't like it.
Oh, it smells like medicine. Oh my god. Dude, that's so bad.
It's so floral.
How is that a floral? It does not smell
It
like a
smells like
floral.
actually like you picked the flower.
Oh, true.
Is that what it does?
Kinda. Not bad, but not like amazing.
I don't mind though.
Can I do a trick on?
Yes, okay, 1, 2.
Oh, it's gonna be rough, so you're not gonna immediately know.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, oh wait.
So I'm not doing this in an elegant way at all. I'm like nervous.
Oh, no wonder why it's so heavy. Oh wait, did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the one with the
I know.
with the
one.
yeah, it has the watermelon head.
Wait, you got the watermelon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, very cute. She's holding her little time turner. Yeah, I'm happy with that one. Oh, it comes with a card.
So hard. Oh, there we go. I got the chocolate.
Looks so delicious.
I haven't gotten a chocolate chip yet. I wonder if they're hiding. The center is stuffed with way more icing. We got the red velvet version, but like a full cake for my mom's birthday, and I haven't had it since, but that was only a month ago. Whoa, it's so pretty outside. I'm
not even sure where I got this card from, but this is the front and the inside of the card. I also have this one, and I definitely did not buy these, and they're unused, so I'm so confused as to where I got them from. Two goals for tonight. One is to finish an essay that I've been putting off. I just had trouble trying to figure out what to write for it, but now I have an idea, so I'm gonna get that done. And two is to fold that pile of clothes on my bed. I'm gonna plant a tree, this pink tree. It's gonna be really small because I'm gonna set it for 40 minutes.